Here we are at St Peter and St Paul's at Appleford. So let's go and have a look round. Right, just done some drone stuff, so that'll be a separate video and a little bit in this one. So links below for the drone only video. Right, let's go and have a little look then. St Peter and St Paul's at Appleford on Thames. Just up by Didcot, between sort of Abingdon and Didcot. There you go, look at that, nice and old school. Done quite a lot of these churches, you know, the old ones with the pews. I'll link that below, that'll be a churches inside and out playlist. That's nice. Right, nice view from the pulpit. I'll put some words below about this place. Yeah, it's nice. I did look for the light switch, I couldn't find it, so make do with a torch in the cart. Yeah, look at that, it's nice. Pop a little organ there. Works on the air, obviously electric, but good old school with air in it. No electronics in that one. So yeah. Nice ceiling. Wooden, nice and old school. A few pews at the side here, on either side. In memory of Eliza Lucretia Justice. For 45 years the life of Walter Justice. There you are. Died 8th of February 1907. It's what, 115 years ago? Quick look about and we'll move on. That lovely old floor. Tiles. In memory of the men of Appleford Parish who served and those who fell in action in the Great War, 1914 to 18, World War One. So that was the locals, it never came back. Quick walk around the outer edge. Nice graveyard. Yeah, a little door there. Alright, cemetery outside. Some obviously look newer than others. A date on this one. So we can see. Getting hard to read now, isn't it? There we are, back to the start.